My name is Michael Toe. I'm the Director of Finance Data Services at ATB Financial. So in terms of finance, it's a pretty big department. We have our accounting services, we have enterprise finance for financial planning and analysis, and then we have our business finance group who work with the actual lines of businesses to support their financial needs. So it's a good couple hundred for sure. We implemented the Vena software and budgeting forecasting in 3 months. That's a record. In terms of using Vena, it made it a lot easier because now you have so many concurrent users and we can all collaborate together in an agile and flexible manner. We actually have conversations with a couple of our business partners and they're talking about doing monthly forecasting now. So, the word's out and we are, our business partners are talking about what we can do with the system, not what we can't do with the system.